Hello everyone. Welcome back to Cars Gallery channel. In this video, you will bring to the information about 2023 Toyota Camry that we visualized from Toyota.com and CarsDirect.com. Some pictures and videos in this video are 2022 Toyota Camry that purposed for illustration only. We will update once Toyota official launch the 2023 Toyota Camry. Hopefully the video will give you another point of view. But before you continue watching, please like and subscribe this channel. The 2023 Toyota Camry will likely continue with minor changes to the current model, which was launched for the 2018 model year. A redesigned version of Toyota's midsize sedan is expected in 2024. The Camry last received a round of revisions for 2021, when the fleet-targeted L-base trim level was eliminated and the sporty XSE version became available with the gas-electric hybrid powertrain. For 2023, the Camry will likely continue to be offered in 6 trim levels: LA, SE, SE Nightshade Edition, XLE, XSE, and TRD. Styling and equipment will likely carry over from 2022 when the 2023 Camry arrives. The vehicle received a round of revisions for 2021, which included modest changes to the front and rear appearance. LA and XLE models have different grilles and details than TRD, SE, and XSE models. The Camry also gained a new 9-inch touchscreen for the infotainment system in 2021, an upgrade over the standard 7-inch screen. Android Auto compatibility also joined Apple CarPlay then. The current Camry comes standard with a 203 horsepower, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, with front-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This engine is also available with all-wheel drive, where it makes 202 horsepower. On XSE models, this engine makes 206 horsepower due to a different exhaust system. Optional on the Camry XLE and XSE models, and standard on the Camry TRD, is a 301 horsepower, 3.5-liter V6, also with an 8-speed automatic. All V6S models are front-wheel drive. The Camry Hybrid is also available with a gas-electric hybrid powertrain on all models except for the TRD. A gasoline-powered engine and electric motor produce a combined 208 total system horsepower, again, only with front-wheel drive. Camry hybrids use an electric continuously variable automatic transmission, ACAT. The 2022 Camry scores highly for safety. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, awarded the Camry with its top 5-star rating in overall testing. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, also gave it a Top Safety Pick Plus award, its highest rating, for top scores in all tests, including headlight performance on all models. Considering the 2023 Camry is not expected to be structurally altered, look for these ratings to carry over. Every Camry comes equipped with rear seat side airbags and automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, along with driver assistance technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and automatic high beam assist. Options include blind spot monitoring and full-speed adaptive cruise control. Barring any new supply chain problems that make ones from 2021 worse, the 2023 Camry should arrive in dealerships in late summer or early fall 2022. Regardless of whether it's redesigned or mildly altered from 2022, the 2023 Toyota Camry is unlikely to change much as far as its price goes. Camrys start from $26,420 for the popular La model and rise to $36,845 for a top-shelf XSE V6. The Toyota Camry competes with the Honda Accord, Kia K5, and Nissan Altima. That's temporary information about 2023 Toyota Camry. As we know that Toyota's still not launching yet the 2023 Camry, but we can expect several changes that will occur. So, thank you very much for watching and don't forget to coming back. See you next time and always keep healthy.